Here at Unilock, we're committed to helping contractors build their businesses and to be more profitable. It's my job here at Unilock to help contractors find the best products, the best tools, and the best methods for installing. Over the past several years, I've spoken to lots of contractors who've told me all the same thing. It's just really hard to get labor. The older guys just can't do the work anymore, and the young guys just don't want to. I've been on the hunt for a while now for a piece of equipment that can help alleviate the labor burden for contractors. It's called Unilyft.
Unilyft is a paver laying assist machine that enables one person to lay pavers at up to 10 square feet per minute. It works on the principle of air pressure combined with vacuum to make heavy pavers feel practically weightless. Once the vacuum-based lifter is attached to the surface of the paver, the operator can move the paver into position with little effort. The control lever on the handle allows for upward and downward movement and makes it easy to put the paver into place. Once the paver is in place, pressing the control lever a little further down reduces the suction and releases the paver. It's that easy.
To demonstrate the time that can be saved with Unilyft, we've set up a couple of different comparison tests. On one side, we have a crew installing pavers by hand. On the other side, we'll be installing pavers using Unilyft.
The hand placing team has to carry the stones over to the laying edge. The main crew member who's laying the stones is either on his knees or frequently bending over to lay the pavers. In contrast, the installer using Unilyft is lifting and placing the pavers from a more comfortable standing position. Accurate placement is easy with Unilyft. If a small adjustment to the level of a particular stone is needed, simply remove the paver, make adjustments to the bedding course, and then replace the paver. After only a couple hundred square feet laid, our hand install team is starting to show signs of fatigue, but Unilyft is still going strong. Using a larger scale paver like Unilock's 𝐕 or Series 3000 is a great option for driveways and is both easy to install and fast thanks to Unilyft. One person operating the Unilyft can place these 130-pound Series 3000 pavers 2 at a time with very little effort. The finished driveway will have fewer joints, which makes for easier joint sand installation and long-term maintenance. After an hour, it's clear to see that the Unilyft is outpacing the hand install crew, and the Unilyft operator isn't even tired. Combining the power and speed of Unilyft with the efficiency of installing large format pavers takes Unilyft to a whole new level. These large format pavers would be impossible to lay by hand, but with Unilyft, it's fast, easy, and accurate. To demonstrate the combined power of larger format pavers and Unilyft, we speed tested our large 𝐕 units using Unilyft against a typical hand install of Brussels block. After 1 hour, one man with a Unilyft had laid 3 times the amount compared to the hand install crew.
As you can see, there are huge labor-saving advantages by using Unilyft.
Unilyft is a versatile machine with a lift capacity of over 300 pounds. Custom suction heads can be designed to accommodate a variety of products, sizes, and textures. Notice how there is no loss of suction even on the flagstone surface texture of Richcliffe XL pavers. The positive grip of Unilyft allows you to work more quickly, accurately, and safely. On driveways and other projects over 500 square feet, Unilyft makes a huge difference in the number of laborers required to do the job and the amount of physical energy required. Now, a contractor can easily complete a typical driveway project within a day or so. If your homeowner prefers a smaller scale product, the Unilyft multi-stone attachment can easily pick up several pieces at a time, still making the job easier. The bayonet head mount facilitates a rapid change from one head to another. For increased productivity, a custom head was designed to pick up 6 8-inch by 16-inch 𝐕 stones, along with a side shift feature that automatically creates a half stone offset. Watch how these stones are placed in one smooth motion. Because Unilyft is built on a narrow track chassis, it's completely mobile and can even go through a 36-inch gate opening. The Unilyft requires very little maintenance and operates on a reliable Honda engine. A full tank of gas will keep the Unilyft running several hours. Whether you're a large hardscape company with lots of equipment or a small 3-man operation, investing in the Unilyft can help you install more pavers faster with a smaller crew and less wear and tear on your employees. All this adds up to more projects in a season and more profit for you. For more information about the Unilyft and how to get one for your next project, speak to your local Unilock territory manager or call 1-800-UNILOCK.